Steve, Mikosic is my name. I'm actually the Managing Director and the proprietor of Multiquip Proprietor Limited, which adds to a lot of companies in there. We are primarily in the chicken business, and during the period of that we have gone into quarrying as well as a number of other things. Transport is probably a very big part of our business as well, but we are essentially controlling the quarry market for ourselves. And that is one of the reasons why we have looked into the volumetric business. Just looking at the whole thing as far as volumetric is concerned was simply there for me to look into how I'm going to make my own concrete. It got to the stage where we couldn't order the concrete from the majors on time. They were very busy, and rightly so. Their business is to supply in a big way to a lot of their big customers. We have primarily gone into something that will suit us and our part of the business. There's quite a number of sites that we have to always deliver concrete to, and it wasn't always easy. By purchasing the volumetric, it gave me the opportunity to actually start on time, finish on time, as my concreters were always very busy and looking at different times. As over the last probably 18 months, we have had quite a lot of rain, and we had to sort of work in between. Volumetric has given me that opportunity to do that without too many problems. If we needed to start after the rain, we could do so. If we needed to start 2 or 3 hours before the rain, we could do so. Basically, the volumetric has given me every opportunity to do my own concrete at any time that I wanted to. And of course, having my own products such as sand, rock, blue metal rock, as well as cement, it was just made it so easy for me. Do I think that volumetric is the next step in this country? I am positive of that. Actually, I should have purchased probably another 2 or 3 machines in order to keep up with the demand just for myself, let alone for other people. Did we create a market outside of what we wanted to do? We haven't as yet. Market is basically sitting there waiting for us if we want to take it on. Do we want to go into other parts of the country to do the concreting? Yes. Do we have the opportunity to do that? Yes. We do have, as I said, our own product as well as our own transport. Situation was here. We have actually just concentrated mainly on our own. If we do anything between 1 or half a cube or 0.6 or right up to 8 cubes we can do on site. If we are going to go off site, of course we have to look into a little bit less, simply because of the weights that we can carry with us. As far as the machine, again, I can't express how good it really is. And if I keep talking to Antec at all times, they have been very, very helpful. They've always been there every time we called them. And Rob Garda was one of the instrumental people at sitting down with us and calibrating the machine. Once you calibrate it, it's exceptional, exceptional. The reality is that I didn't sleep for a number of months worrying at how I'm going to actually work this machine. I looked at every possible way of how I should be doing it and how I should be improving it for my own side of the business. Calibration wasn't that hard at all. You know, it's basically scales. You calibrate your material, you feed it into the computer, and all you have to do is just press the green button and it will do the job for you. If you need small amounts, beautiful. If you need bigger amounts, just the same. The machine will just keep going. Just talk to the people at Antec, you know, they're experts at that, and I can't really fault anything and I'm very, very happy with what I have done for me so far. I had no hesitation of purchasing it immediately, and of course I had no hesitation in purchasing the truck because it was sitting there ready for the machine to be set on the truck and put out to work. The future of it in Australia is absolutely huge. If you are not sure whether you want to buy one or not, well, let me tell you, just put your order in as soon as possible, because you will be waiting for a little while, but you will get a damn good machine at the end.